Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We have started the first group of plants, that's algae. And yesterday in the previous lecture, we have studied 9 characters of silent features of these algae. Today we will take up the 10th feature, that is sexual reproduction. And we have seen that algae reproduce both vegetatively, asexually and sexually. Vegetatively they reproduce by fragmentation. Asexually they reproduce by means of spores, which may be motile or non-motile. Today we will take up sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction takes place by the fusion of gametes. Sexual reproduction takes place by the fusion of gametes, which may be, any fusion of gametes may be isogames, anisogames, anisogamy, or oogamy. In sexual reproduction takes place by 3 methods: by fusion of gametes, which is of 3 types, that's isogames, anisogames, and oogames. Isogames means both gametes are similar. When both the gametes, both male and female gametes, are similar, it is known as isogamy. When both gametes are dissimilar but motile, it is called anisogamy. And when male gamete is smaller and motile but female gamete is larger and non-motile, this type of fusion we call it oogamy. And we have seen sexual reproduction takes place by the fusion of gametes, which may be isogames, anisogames, or oogames. Isogames means when both the gametes are similar. This isogamy is further of 2 types. The fusing gametes can be motile and similar in size, or non-motile but similar in size. And we have seen gametes are similar both in size as well as in their features, in their properties. That is, if male gamete is motile, female gamete is also motile. And if male gamete is smaller, female gamete is also smaller. If male gamete is non-motile, female gamete is also non-motile. And the size of male gamete is always similar to that of the size of the female gamete. Then isogamy means when both the fusing gametes are similar. That is, both in size as well as their motility. If one is motile, another is also motile. If one is non-motile, another is also non-motile. For example, if the fusing gametes are flagellate and similar, that is motile and similar, this case we find in Eulothrix. An example of this case is where the fusing gametes are motile and similar in size. And if the fusing gametes are non-motile but similar in size, this case we see in Spirogyra. An example of the isogamy in which both the gametes are non-motile and similar in size, this we see in case of Spirogyra. So far as the anisogamy is concerned, as I have already told you, both gametes are dissimilar in size, and if one is smaller, another is larger, but both are motile. This anisogamy we see in Urodina. is the example of anisogamy. Oogamy is the case in which fusing gametes are entirely dissimilar. Fusing gametes are entirely dissimilar. Here fusing gametes are entirely dissimilar both in size as well as their motility. That is, male gamete is smaller and motile and female gamete is non-motile and larger. Example of this is, that is, oogamy is volvox, fucus, etc. are the examples of oogamy. Number 11th feature, gametes are produced in sex organs called gametangia. Gametes are produced in sex organs called gametangia. The sex organs of algae are known as gametangia, which produce gametes. Now the species of algae may be homothallic or heterothallic. The species of algae may be homothallic, that is monoecious, bisexual, or heterothallic, that is dioecious or unisexual. Algal thallus, they may be homothallic, monoecious or bisexual, or heterothallic, dioecious or unisexual. Algal thalli ये है कैसे unisexual या ये है कैसे bisexual. Number 12th feature, sex organs may be unicellular or multicellular. Sex organs may be unicellular or multicellular, but always non-jacketed. The sex organs of algae may be unicellular or multicellular, but always non-jacketed. They are not surrounded by any sterile layer that is called a jacket. They lack this jacket, that is always non-jacketed, except chora. Sex organs may be unicellular or multicellular, but always non-jacketed, except chora. Chora is an exceptional case in which sex organs are jacketed. And this question is often asked in the examination: in which of the following alga sex organs are jacketed? That is chora. Number 13th feature, the sex organs, male and female gametes fuse to produce a zygote, but embryo stage is absent. The group is characterized by the absence of embryo stage. No embryo is formed in algae. The life cycle of algae, the life cycle of different alga may be haplontic. The life cycle of different alga may be haplontic, diplontic,